Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can draw line on your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here, and then I'm going to upload an image from my gallery. For example, I'm just going to upload wait guys, I'm going to upload this image. Okay, and I'm going to draw line on this Instagram story. If you want to draw line, you can click on these three dots and then you're going to select draw. Alright, and you will be able to change the type of the pen or the pencil you want to use to draw on your Instagram story. Here you will have arrow, marker, neon, chalk, and also pen. Okay, then you just need to choose the type that you like. For example, if you want to draw a chalk with chalk, you can select chalk right here. Then you can change the color. I'm going to use for example the yellow color, and then I'm going to draw on it. Okay, and if you want to undo your drawing, you can click on undo, or you can also erase it by clicking on this eraser like this. And if you want to undo, you can click on undo. Okay, and then I'm going to try the neon as well. I'm going to select neon, and let's see the neon one. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to show you how the marker looks like. This is for the marker guys. Okay, then I'm going to try the pen as well, like this. It's the original one guys. Okay, then I'm going to try arrow. If you want to draw the arrow automatically, you can use the arrow like this. Okay, that's very easy, right? Okay, and I end up with chalk. I'm going to draw chalk on my story. Okay, like this, and then you can click on done. And once you're ready to share your story, you just need to click on your story right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw line on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.